Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft. Your Java runtime is incompatible. If you want to fix it, all you have to do just click here and then click background apps. Now just make sure to disable the first option here and then type here device manager and click on it. Now just go to processor and make sure to update all those drivers here one by one into the last one, and also display adapters and network adapters here, and that's it. And after that just click here. After that just type here percent updata percent and then click enter. And after that just you will find here Minecraft folder, click on it. Now just replace those two files to your desktop, and then just go back, don't close this folder, and open Minecraft launcher. And then once you're here, just go back to this folder and then just replace those two folders again to Minecraft folder. And that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.